Good morning, class. Today, 18th of November 2020. Today, we are going to start new chapter from your supplementary book, that is It So Happened. The name of the chapter is The Fight. The name of the chapter is The Fight, which is written by Ruskin Bond. You may be familiar with this word Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. Actually, he is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family. He lives with his adopted families in Landoor, Mussoorie, India. So he lives in Mussoorie. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. So the education of India, they have just recognized the work of Ruskin Bond. And Ruskin Bond made a very good achievement in the field of literature also. He was born in 19th May 1934, Kausali. Okay, the birthplace is Kausali. And his education, he completed his education in Simla, Bishop Cotton School. Shimla, he's got education in Shimla School. The name of that is Bishop Cotton School. And he also got awarded the famous award Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri. Both the award he achieved it. And he got his name and fame in the field of English literature. So this is a short autobiography of Ruskin Bond. Now we are going to start the chapter, The Fight. Before that, I will give you a short introduction about this chapter. The fight. As the name indicates, the fight, it means a conflict, arguments, or distraction between two persons, isn't it? किसी के बीच में, दो इंसान के बीच में आपस में लड़ाई, मतभेद, मुठभेड़ होना, उसके बारे में इंडिकेट करता है चैप्टर. In this story, the author Ruskin Bond tried to say that fight is not the resolution in conflicting any war. Okay. किसी भी समस्या का समाधान फाइट या लड़ाई नहीं हो सकती, बल्कि ये उसको और बढ़ावा दे सकती है. इसीलिए किसी फाइट को रिसॉल्व करने के लिए, उसका सॉल्यूशन निकालने के लिए बड़ी पीस ऑफ माइंड, पेशेंसली वर्क करना चाहिए, तब उस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन निकलता. फाइट इज नॉट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एनी वॉर. किसी भी युद्ध के लिए लड़ते रहना उसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकलता. इसका सॉल्यूशन आपसी समझौता, आपसी अंडरस्टैंडिंग से ही होता है, जो हमें इस चैप्टर में देखने को मिला. So let us start the chapter. This chapter is very lengthy one. Okay, so let us proceed the first part of this chapter. Part number 1, page number is your 45. Page number 45. Ranji had been, here the name is given, the boy name is Ranji. Ranji had been less than a month in Rajpur, where he discovered the pool in the forest. So Ranji was there in the Rajpur place, and in that place he discovered a pool in the forest. रंजी राजपुर में था और एक महीना हो गया था, और वहां उसने राजपुर के फॉरेस्ट एरिया में एक पूल, ठीक है ना, पुल बहुत अच्छा सा पुल डिस्कवर खोज की उसने। It was the height of summer and his school had not yet opened, and having as yet made no friends in this semi-hill station, he wandered about a good deal of him by himself into the hills and forests that stretched away interminably on all sides of the town. So, in this story, the season is mentioned here is the summer season, and it is at the peak point. समर सीजन की बात हो रही है और समर सीजन बिल्कुल पीक पॉइंट यानी बहुत तेज गर्मी, एंड स्कूल वाज नॉट येट ओपन, स्कूल खुली नहीं थी, गर्मियों में जैसे छुट्टी होती है, एंड रंजी हैड नो फ्रेंड एट ऑल इन दैट एरिया. He wandered in the hill area and in the forest one. वो हमेशा उस जगह, कभी पहाड़ी जगह में घूमता, कभी जंगलों में जाता, ऐसे अपना दिन गुजारता, अपनी छुट्टियां स्पेंड कर रहा था. It was very hot because summer season is there, and Ranji walked. It was very hot. He just want to move here and there. वो सिर्फ इधर उधर, कभी हिली एरिया में, कभी फॉरेस्ट एरिया में घूम रहा था. It was very hot, and at that time of year, Ranji walked about his vest and shorts, his brown fit white with a chalky dust that flew up from the ground. The earth was parched, the grass brown, the trees listless, hardly stirring, waiting for a cool wind on a refreshing shower of rain. So the summer season has reached its top. It was extreme cold, and in that situation, Ranji walked only wearing vest and shorts. Shorts पहनता था और सैंडल की बनियान पहन के घूमता रहता था. And his brown feet with dusty one. The earth was very hot and dry. से लगता था कि जमीन से बहुत उबल रही है जमीन, ऐसा. The grass also become brown. घास सब सूख गए थे. Trees also, they all are waiting for a refreshing wind, cool wind, smooth breeze. Everyone, not only the human being, but also nature also waiting for a refreshing wind, refreshing air. सब एक अच्छी ठंडी हवा, अच्छा सुहाना मौसम का इंतजार कर रहे थे. इतनी कड़ी धूप में, कड़े धूप की गर्मी से वो परेशान हो गए थे. Second paragraph. It was on such a day, a hot, very tired day, that Ranji found a pool in the forest. इतने हॉट गर्मी में रंजी उधर तो घूमता था और उसे एक जंगल के बीच में एक पुल मिल गया. The water had great gentle transparency, and you could see the smooth round pebbles at the bottom of the pool. So when he discovered that pool, he found that the water of that pool was very clear, clean. You know, the pebbles is said that at the bottom of the pool also easily visible. उस पुल का पानी इतना क्लीन और क्लियर था कि इसके किनारे जो पेबल्स पत्थर थे वो भी साफ नजर आ रहे थे. A small stream emerged from a cluster of rocks to feed the pool. A small stream is also coming and joined with that pool. During the monsoon, this stream would be a gushing torrent cascading down from the hills. But during the summer, it was barely a trickle only. So, the Ranji just imagined that this stream, when it was a rainy season, जब rainy season होता होगा, तो ये स्ट्रीम का पानी कितना अच्छा लगता होगा, कितना अच्छा झरना जैसे बहता होगा और कितना अच्छा सीन लगता. बट वही पानी समर सीजन में बिल्कुल कम हो गया, ऐसे हल्के से ही बह रहा. पेज टर्न, Page number 46. The rocks, however, held the water in the pool, and it did not dry up like the pools in the plains. But the water in the pool is not dried up, though it is a summer season. भले ही गर्मी ग्रीष्म ऋतु चल रहा है, लेकिन इस पुल का पानी सूखा नहीं है. When Ranji saw the pool, he did not hesitate to get into it. जैसे उसने पुल देखा, उसके अंदर जाने के लिए उसने झिझक नहीं किया. And he often gone swimming alone or with friends when he had lived with his parents in a thirsty town in the middle of the Rajputana desert. So, when Ranji saw this pool, he didn't get any hesitation, and without the least botheration, he just get into the pool because he found that he was living this year in a thirsty town. ऐसा लग रहा था thirsty town में राजपूताना desert में रहता है वो, और ऐसी जगह है जहां में पानी दिखना स्वाभाविक बिल्कुल अनोखी बात है. There he had known only sticky. उनके राजपूताना डेजर्ट में बता रहा है जहां वो रहता था राजपूताना डेजर्ट में, वहां पे पानी देखना बहुत रेयर वाली बात है. इसलिए जब यहाँ उसने देखा राजपूत में तो बिल्कुल एक्साइटेड हो. There he had only seen राजपूताना डेजर्ट में क्या दिखता था वो स्टिकी मडी पुल्स और कीचड़ वाले पुल्स होते थे. Where buffalo value women wash clothes, उस मडी पुल्स में कपड़े धोते थे, बफालो को नहलाया भी जाता था. He had never seen a pool like this, so clean, cold and inviting. उसने ऐसा पुल नहीं देखा था. उसके गांव का पुल तो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट था, बहुत मडी, where buffaloes wallowed, women washing clothes like that. But this pool is naturally clear and clean. He leaped into the water. His limbs were supple, free of any fat, and his dark body glistened in patches of sunlit water. Dark bodies, जैसे सूरज की रोशनी, rays of the sun, it comes to the body of that Ranji, it glistened, glowing आ रहा था. Dark body में complexion आ रहा था. उसे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. Summer season में pool में enter करना, it gives a refreshment, isn't it? Next paragraph. The next day he came again. Next day again he came. On that day he enjoyed it very well. And the next day he came again to quench his body in the cool waters of the forest. Again he entered the pool. There he almost spent an hour sliding in and out of the limpid green water, a line stretched out on the smooth yellow rocks in the shade of broad leaves or trees. So in this pool, he just shows different tricks of swimming. Okay, it shows that Ranji was a good swimmer. वो अलग-अलग तरीके से तैरा, कभी backward, कभी forward like that. तो इससे ये प्रूफ होता है कि रंजी एक अच्छा स्विमर. Right? It was while he lay thus at that time another boy was noticed and standing in a distance way, starting at him in a rather hostile manner. When he was doing this work, the other side of the pool, a boy was just observing him. एक लड़का उस खड़े होके उसे देख रहा था. And the way he looks, completely very different one. The other boy was little older than Ranji. वो boy Ranji से बड़ा था. Taller also, thick set, with a broad nose and thick red lips. Okay, he had only just noticed Ranji, and when Ranji did not say anything, the other boy called out. So देखा रंजी को, रंजी ने कुछ नहीं बोला. रंजी को बोला, "What are you doing here, Mister?" He asked the question to Ranji. क्या कर रहे हो आप यहाँ? Ranji, who was prepared to be friendly, was taken aback at the hostility of others' tone. Ranji चाह रहा था उससे दोस्ती कर, but जैसे ही जिस टोन से क्वेश्चन पुट अप किया उस बॉय ने, वो थोड़ा पीछे हट गया. I am swimming, Ranji replied. Why don't you join me? तुम क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन कर लेते? I always swim alone, the boy replied. This is my pool and I did not invite you here. ये मेरा pool है, मैंने तुम्हें invitation नहीं दिया. The stranger stood up to Ranji. Just give a very rude answer. Who still sat on the rock and planting his broad feet firmly on the sand, said, as though this would settle the matter once and for all. Don't you know I am a warrior? Okay, competitor. I'm a fighter. वो boy उसको challenge कर रहा है. I'm a fighter one. और वो fights in a war, isn't it? Like fighter हूँ. और तुम इस pool में बिना permission के कैसे enter हो? He just explained. So today this much we will complete the explanation. Tomorrow we will complete the remaining portion. So I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be